Tamika
and Cindy.
Welcome
back, Scent Savers. We're from Scent Savers. Welcome back, Scent Savers.
I don't even know what happened. Anyway, welcome back, y'all. It is Wow Wednesday.
Wow Wednesday.
Y'all, we is at the Walgreens right now. We're gonna run and get some deals.
Yes, it's April the 20th. It's April the 20th. Yes, it is, Tamika.
Oh, shoot, it's April the 20th.
I pulled out my phone. I was going to say I pulled out my map like Dora, but...
Backpack. We got our backpack. There you go. But
anyways, listen.
Okay, that bird show there. We're having a bird show today. But anyway, guys, we are going in to get some deals. Hope y'all had a great yesterday.
Yes.
Make sure you go back and watch that CVS video if you have it.
CVS and... Walmart for Monday.
That's it, y'all. And Walmart, just check y'all bottles. Walmart done popped up some hot deals.
We got some freebies today.
Yeah, today. So y'all check y'all's Walmart. We'll have them on the video tomorrow.
Yes, but keep in mind that if you decide to go get your rebates today and you haven't, either today's the last day to do your midweek moneymaker and or submit for the big bonus if you have the big one that me and Tamika has, or just one that you haven't finished. No. I'm saying you have those two things that your Ibotta rebates will apply to is what I'm saying.
I was confused.
Tamika was like, wait a minute.
Yeah,
no, big bonus don't end until I think May 1st or like over in the middle of the night, May 1st or something like that.
Yeah.
Anywho.
All right, y'all, we're going in to get these deals. Let's go
get them.
All right, y'all, we got a deal. Now, this is a online deal because when we got in the store, it was way higher. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Shea Moisture soaps. They're $4.19 online. Buy one, get one 50% off. Now, when you buy 2, it's going to be $6.28. You're going to use this $6 coupon and pay 28 cents. You can order ship to store, guys. So the shipping will be free. So pick it on up if you need it.
Yep, pick it on up.
All right, now. All right, y'all. We got to raise a deal for you. Now, these Gillette.
She said raise a deal. She meant to say shave gel foam.
These are buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you get $4 register reward.
Yes.
So you got to buy the men's at $5.99. The women's will be $2.49. That's the original $4.99. It'll be $8.48. We're going to use this $2 coupon. Can y'all see that? $2 down?
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute, y'all. And $3 down.
Yep.
Okay. You're gonna pay $3.48. You're gonna get back $4 in register rewards, making it free plus a 51-cent money maker.
This is a great deal. So
pick it on up, y'all.
I don't know if we're gonna pick them up, but it's a good deal to pick up.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. So here's the next deal, and it's on the Colgate Optic White, priced at $3.79. You're gonna pick up 2 of these for $7.58, y'all. Sorry, I can't see. I ain't got my glasses on. Anywho, you're gonna use a 4 off of 2 Walgreens digital coupon. You're gonna pay $3.58. You're gonna get back $4 in Walgreens cash, folks. It's gonna end up making it completely free. And 42-cent moneymaker. You should see Tamika showing me this deal because I can't see. I'm gonna put my glasses on, but go ahead and pick this thing on up because it's free. All right, y'all.
This is a great deal now. I know y'all know about the hand wash. We ain't doing that. We're gonna figure it out on these Dove hand soap. I mean body washes.
Dove body washes.
Or the big bars of soap or the men's. It's all working, okay?
Yes.
So there's $7. When you buy 2, you're gonna get $4 back in register rewards. We have a
7 off of 2 digital.
We do. I was gonna show them, but I done lost it.
Yeah, it's fine.
But we have a 7 off of 2 digital, guys, that attaches to either one of these deals, making it just $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. Cindy's gonna get a body wash. I'm gonna pick up the men's bar soap.
Yeah, guys.
Either way, this is a fantastic deal. Pick it on up.
Yeah, it's a fantastic deal. So we getting it. Easy deal right here, folks. So this is the palm olive. What ounce is this? 8 ounce, y'all. I said 8. I can't see. I still didn't put my glasses on. They are on sale for 99 cents. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, makes them 49 cents. So we picking this on up. All right. Now we gonna mosey on down this aisle. Tamika gonna tell you about this okay detergent deal.
Well, it's okay, but we ain't got none, so it must be okay.
Is it down here?
This is right here. Arm & Hammer, y'all. It's the packs or the
liquid
and the sprinkle.
And the sprinkle. I don't think ours does, honestly.
Oh, yeah, it did.
Where?
It's gone too.
Okay, y'all, it's all gone.
So it's buy 2, get 1. Buy 1, get 2 free at $7.49. Makes it $2.50 something each, y'all. I don't got to listen to me, but anyway, y'all know about this deal. If you're Arm & Hammer fan, it's not too bad. So pick it on up if you need it.
Alrighty.
Oh, Cindy be hollering at me, but y'all don't know it. So I just want to let you know. These core bars are $2.99. We have a $2.99 back on our bottle, guys. Makes them just free. We picking them up. We need these ribbons.
Yeah.
Y'all pick it on up.
Pick it up. We out.
Y'all, we need somebody to record us on our, well, we got somebody, but not today. But I'm telling y'all, we be having whole conversations that y'all should hear. Anyway, we are out of Walgreens, y'all. This was an excellent trip for me. I don't even know what I did, honestly.
Here she go.
But I got a lot of money back, so that's all that matters, okay?
Yeah, she did.
So we are heading over to Dollar General, guys, to pick up some deals. So let's go get these deals.
Let's do this.
All right, now.
All right, y'all.
So you know about this deal if you've been watching us now. I'm gonna pick it up today. So it's 2 Scented Dusts for $2.50 each. So buy 2 for $5. You get $5 back on 2 on swag bucks, and then you'll submit to checkout 51 for 2 $1 rebates. Makes it free plus $2 moneymaker, y'all.
Yes.
This is a fantastic deal.
Fantastic deal.
I'm gonna pick it on up.
So pick it on up, y'all. So here's the next deal. This is on the Funables fruit snacks. They are $2. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them just $1 for the 10 packets. Did y'all see that? 10 packets. So pick this on up for children or for yourself, either or. I was hoping to show you the hefty plates. Now, the hefty plates and the hefty cups, they're 2 for $7, as you can see right here. The plates, I do believe, is the 100 count. I might pop up a picture so you can see what we're talking about, which is what makes it a pretty good deal. So you can either pick up the 40 count cups, or you can pick up the 100 count paper. No, they're plastic plates. Y'all, they're 2 for $7. We have a $1 digital coupon, makes them $6 or $3 each, which is not a bad deal right now for paper products, y'all. So go ahead and pick it up. All right, y'all.
So the next deal is on these FREEBIES car clips. They're $3. We're gonna buy 2 for $6. Use a $3 digital. Cindy gonna show you that thing. Makes it just $1.50. Not bad, y'all. We like these things.
We love them.
Keep the car fresh and tight.
That midnight storm. But look at that lush. Don't it look good?
It look lush.
Look lush.
All right,
pick
now.
it on up.
Hey, y'all. This is this dog food. It's 3.3 ounces. It's $7.75. We have a $4 digital, making it just $3.75.
Yes,
that's
guys.
not a bad deal if you need
It's
dog
not.
food. Okay, Miss Iams. We don't get a lot of deals on them. So
No, we sure don't.
y'all better pick it on up.
All right,
All right, y'all. We got a deal on these FREEBIES small spaces. These are $3 each. We have a $3 off of 2 digital. That's attaching. Buy 2. Makes it $1.50 each. Not too bad, y'all. If you need some FREEBIES in your life.
Pick it on up.
All right.
Tamika over here doing a jig with her legs, but I'm going to tell you about this deal. So this is the palm olive. Look, y'all. It's like new and improved.
It's gigantic.
It's really
Look at the
big. Look
size.
how size. It's a thick.
That's 2
it's
inches.
got some
That's
thickness
about
show.
one,
Okay?
2. Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, this is the 46 ounce. We have a $2 digital coupon on the 46 ounce only, makes it $3. So it's not too bad, especially pick on that antibacterial.
You want to see it? Here you go.
Yeah, here's that one.
Look at that.
You got that?
46 ounce only.
All right,
now.
pick it on up.
All right, y'all. We got these $3.75 OxyCleans daily. Okay.
Yep.
Buy 2 for $7.50. Go to swag bucks. Submit for $5 back on 2. Then submit for 2. Checkout 51s for 94 cents. Makes them 62 cents. Now,
This is
we
great.
know that there are pilly coupons, but we do not use coupons with swag bucks.
Yeah, that's our
so
preference.
that's our policy. So we're gonna pay the 62 cents and pick it on up.
Yep.
All right, y'all.
Alrighty, pick it on up, y'all. All right, y'all. So we are back with the next deal, and we don't have any, but you're looking for the Dove 2.6 ounce
Trail
bar.
size.
Thank you. Okay, they're $1. You're going to pick up 3. We have a $3 off of 3 digital coupon. Now, guys, this is not going to make it free. It's going to make it 3 cents. So 1 cent per bar, or basically free. So go ahead and pick it up if you can find it. All right, y'all. Pick it on
All
up.
right, y'all. We got a deal on Select Code. Scan it, y'all. Select. It's 2 for $3.50. We're gonna buy 3 for $5.50. We use this $5 digital coupon. It will make it 50 cents for 3, or just 16 cents each.
Yes, guys.
This is a good one for your 5 off of 25, guys.
Perfect for the 5
I wouldn't buy it just because we don't pay for toothpaste, but I will put it in my 5 off of 25.
Yes, guys.
So pick it on up if you need it for,
Alrighty.
on Saturday.
Yes.
All right.
All right, y'all. Listen, we just got out of the Dollar General. We never even told you that we were here.
We did. We told you we was going here. Y'all
Oh,
we
there
didn't
you
tell
go.
you when we got
There
here,
you go.
but we here. We leaving now.
Yeah, they had a couple decent deals.
Yeah.
You can find that
for 5
Dove.
off 25. Y'all.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good deal. But anyways, guys, listen. Tamika's going to go get her teeth done.
Yeah, y'all.
So
By the time you see this video, I already got my teeth did.
her teeth been done. So we about to depart, and it's early.
Yeah,
it's
we
not
had
even
to get
11
early
o'clock.
today, girl. I mean, girls. I said guys because I have 11 o'clock appointment.
Yeah. So
But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Y'all remember to tune in tomorrow for Walmart because it should be decent.
should be pretty good as long as these
The deals don't
freebies stay
disappear.
up.
Okay. All right, y'all.
Bye.